You know, the biggest response is from class 6 children. Really, I find that most of the children of class 6 keeps on commenting. Thank you, sir. This shows their interest, this shows their interest that they really want to learn something. So I'm here, you can say, guys. So do not worry. Today we shall learn about addition of fractions. Okay, addition of fractions, that is exercise, not exercise 14C. Okay, so in addition of fractions, as I had told you, that we have only 3 steps. In fact, you can say only 2 steps are there. Just you learn these 2 magic words, that in number 1 they say, that is step number 1. Step number 1 says find LCM. Just learn this, that find LCM, and in step 2 divide LCM, divide the LCM, okay, LCM by the denominator of the fraction, and multiply the result, that is the answer, by numerator. Once again, find LCM, and then in step 2 we shall be dividing the LCM, this particular LCM, by the denominator, and whatever you will obtain, imli, kathal, whatever you will obtain, that you will multiply it with the numerator of the fraction. Kaam khatam. And then you all do those kind of joda joding, isn't it? Adding, subtracting. That's your work. Come on, don't disturb me. Number 1. So we have addition of fractions. Here we have a look. 1 3/4 plus 3/8. Now you only tell me, what the hell is this? Here they have given you the fraction in mixed number form. So your priority is to change this into improper fraction. 4 1 times 4 plus 3, 7/4 plus 3/8. आगे कहानी यहाँ से शुरू. You will have to take out their LCM of 4 and take out the LCM. Find the LCM of denominator. Okay, of the denominators. So 4 and 8, LCM of 4 and 8 will be what? Now you don't tell me that, you show me how to find out LCM. Please look at the other videos. 8. Now divide the LCM by this denominator. So when you will divide this LCM by 4, how much will you get? You will get 2. So 2 times 7. Multiply it with the numerator, plus, see, 8 is over here. So now here I won't be telling you that you divide 8 by 8 and then you multiply 1 with 3. This is a kind of nonsense thing. Nahin, maza nahi aa raha hai, isn't it? So here what you will do, that whenever you will find that the LCM and this denominator is same, you will simply you take it out. You write it over here. This numerator should be written as it is. Okay, koi taam jham nahi. Aja beta. So here we have 2 into 7, how many? 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 3/8. This will give you how much? 17/8. Now still they will not be satisfied. So here you will have to convert it into mixed fraction. Why? Because they had also given you in mixed form only. So you will have to answer them in the same language. So 8 2 times 16. 1 is the remainder. 2 1/8. Yo. Isn't it? It is yo. Come on. Moving on to the next one. What we have? Moving on to the next one, reduce if possible. Say no, I am not going to reduce. Come, let's do let's solve the second part. 2/5. So here once again, number second one, 2/5. 2/5 plus 2 3/15. Oh, is it 2 3/15 only? कोई बात नहीं है बाबू, plus 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10. So what I find that here I can reduce this 3 and 15 also over here. This can be reduced. 3 by 15 can be reduced. So but come on, let's start here. 3 1 times and 3 5s are. So this will be reduced to 2 by 5 plus 5 2 times 10 plus 1 11 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Can't you see that your LCM of these three denominators will be 10. Now divide this LCM by each of these denominators. So 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 10 divided by 5, 2. 22 plus, now 10 and 10 is same, so just you write 7 over here as it is. Isn't it? Come on. So what are you going to get? Such are 11 and 22 is equal to 33 by 10. So 33 by 10 will be equal to 3 by 10 when you will convert it into mixed number form. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े, हम आगे बढ़े. You don't move away from here. Okay. Otherwise, what otherwise? Nothing otherwise. We have 3 1 by 8. I will do only few of them. 3 1 by 8 plus 5 5s are 12 plus 5 by 16. Isn't it? Okay. Now, first you will have to convert this into improper. Come on. So 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 8 plus 12 5s are 60 plus 5, 65 by 12 plus 5 by 16. Now, have a look. Let us take 8, let us see these numbers, 8, 12 and 16. So, the LCM of 8, 12 and 16 will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 48. Come on. So, the LCM, least common multiple of 8, 12 and 16 is your 48. So have a look. So I'll write 48 over here, no issues. So I will divide the LCM by each of these denominators. 48 divided by 8, 6. So 6 into 25 plus, see, 48 divided by 12, 4. 4 into 65. Similarly, here you have 3 into 5. Let's multiply. 150 plus 260 plus 15 divided by 48. So this will give you how much? So this will give you, when you solve it, you will get a value 425 by 48. Let's divide. So on dividing, you will get 841 by 48 is your final solution. You will have to convert this into mixed number form. Okay, because they have given, see, these numbers are in mixed number form. So try to answer them in the same language in which they have asked you or they have given you. Moving on to the second part of exercise 14C. Okay, that is simplify. Here they have given you only addition, but when you move on to the next part, that is the second part, what they say, simplify means you will have to do both addition and subtraction simultaneously. Okay? Simultaneously means one after another. Okay, have a look. For example, छोटा सा 111 by 12 minus 13 by 16 है ना, क्या बात है, is equal to, let's solve this into, convert this into improper fraction. So 12 1 times 12, 12 plus 11 is equal to 23 by 12 minus 13 by 16. Who will take out their LCM of 12 and 16? Who? Naturally, I will only take it out. Even if you say I, you cannot. You do it in your notebook. So LCM is equal to here, the LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to how much? 48. Have a look. 48. So bit too full. Come on. So 48 divided by 12 is equal to how much? So 4 times 23 minus 48 divided by 16 is equal to how much? 16 48. 3 into 13. 4 into 23 is equal to 4 tiya 12, 4 दुनिया 8 है 9, 92. 92 minus 39 by 48 is equal to 53 by 48. When you find that this is in improper fraction, therefore you will have to convert this into mixed number form, isn't it? तभी पेट भरेगा उसका. 53 by 48 is equal to कितना बेटा? 15 by 48. Done? Come on. Moving on to the next one. I'll do just not more than 1 or 2 sums. ज़्यादा नहीं. ज़्यादा खाना नहीं चाहिए, isn't it? So here 1 2 3 कहाँ गई थी? In 1 2 3. Yes. 2 5 by 7 plus 3 by 14 minus 13 by 21. See? Oh my God. 13 by 21. Who will convert this into improper fraction? So 7 2 times 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 कितना? कितने? How much? Is equal to here 19 by 7 plus 3 by 14 minus 13 by 21. Aja beta. LCM is equal to how much? 42. आप निकाल लोगे, ठीक है? So come on here. Let us use this LCM. And what did I teach you? I had taught you that divide the LCM by each of the denominators. देखो एक ही बात को बार बार repeat रहे हैं. Like the advertisement shown in the TV. Okay, advertisement shown in the TV. They keep on showing you the same advertisement number of times so that it gets locked in your brain, isn't it? So whenever you go to a market, and you can say whenever you talk about, for example, you can say a biscuit. So marigold. Why? Why marigold? Have you tasted it number of times? No, because you have seen number of times. So 6 into, come on, let's solve. 6 into 19 is equal to here 114 minus 9 minus 26 divided by kitna beta? 42. So 14. See, these two negative signs should be added together. So whenever you get both addition and subtraction, तो पहले जितना भी numbers, you can say positive numbers are there, you add them, and जितना भी negative numbers are there, then you add them separately. So minus 9 and minus 26 will give you minus 35 divided by 42. So 114 minus 35 divided by 42 will be equal to 79 by 42. Answer them in the same language in which they have spoken to you. So 101 by 37 by 42. 137 by 42 should be your answer. ठीक है? Look, कोई बात नहीं है. I'll do one more. Okay, one more. So what did I see over here? That both addition and subtraction is involved. Both addition and subtraction is involved. That is why they wrote simplify. Why? In the later video, you will find that not only addition and subtraction, they will give you multiplication and division also, off also, bracket also. So that is why this is just a test. This is just a test of your caliber, how much you know, how well. So that is why, see, whatever you people, since you people were in the lower classes, 3 or 4, when you came in 6, you found that everything was little different. Okay, little different. Why? because you yourself is different. See your face, face in the mirror. So 1 कितना बेटा 1/8 है ना, 1/8/15, ठीक है. So have a look. Here I find that this particular fraction is not in standard form. तो कोई बात नहीं यार, डाल दो ना 1. Okay, because naturally when you have a natural number, you have already been taught that whenever you have a natural number, the denominator is 1. The denominator is 1. Come on, have a look. 6. So what is the LCM of 1, 10 and 15? So LCM of 1, 10 and 15. That what 1 and 10 and 15? 1. Why are you including 1? 10 and 15 बोलो ना जी. गजब बात है, टीचर भी गजब पढ़ा रहा है. 30. So have a look. 30 divided by 1 will be equal to 30. So 30 times 6 plus 30 divided by 10, 3 times 3. And this 1/8/15, यार ये क्या हो गया ये? 1/8/15. It's better. I have skipped one step. So 1/8/15 is equal to how much? 15 और 8 23. 23/15. कोई बात नहीं बेटे, गलती होगी हमसे, माफ कर देना. ओके, मजाक कर रहे हैं. 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2. So 2 times 23. चलो. So have a look here. 30 into 6, 180 plus 9 minus 46 by 30. शेयर की तरफ. So 180 plus 9, as I had told you, अभी बोले ना कि all the positive signs you add it, and all the negative signs you add it in one step. So minus 46 by 30 is equal to how much? 189 minus 46, 143. 143 by 30. You can divide it. 30 4 are 120. So कितना? 23 by 30. Simple. कोई logic. See, all are easy. And in mathematics, what language you need? What language you need? Only yes, no, do it, multiply, add. This is what you will need. But yes, when you will come to word problems, naturally you should have an understanding of the language. Okay? Okay. Otherwise, cup ko you will say plate, and for every mangoes you will say banana. 4 plus 3 1 by 8 minus 3 1 by 6, isn't it? अंग्रेज की चलो, like the Britishers. चलो, 4 plus 3 1 by 8 minus 3 1 by 6. Have a look. Is equal to 4 by 1 plus, who will convert it? 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 8, minus 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Who will take out the LCM of 8 and 6? 24. So here 24 times 4 plus, come on, see, 3 times 25 minus 4 times 19. How much you will get? 96 plus, and multiply all this. See, these are not the things that I'm going to show you. That now you multiply 3 and 25. I'll show you it over here. इतना बड़ा जिंदगी में इतना समय नहीं है ना, और भी तो कोई काम है. So see, 76 plus 75, 96 plus 75 is equal to 171 minus 76 by 24. Okay, you subtract and you will get how much? 95 by 24. So 95 by 24 is equal to how much? 24 3 times, you know. Am I right? नहीं बेटा, 24 3 times है, ठीक तो. 323 by 24 is your final answer. एक और बस, एक. Okay, wait, say if you want to go you can. I'm not stopping you. that you stay here only. As if you will not watch, if you will watch, I'll get, you can say, enough remuneration. Baap re baap. See, so that is what if you people want to go, you are Tata and Baba now only. 4 3 by 5, this is quite important, very very important in fact. Why? I'll tell you. 2 7 by 9 minus 1 2 by 15 minus 2 by 45. This is very very important. Why? And I was just joking. This is not important at all. Okay, this is just like the, you can say, the previous sums. आँख फाड़ लिया पूरा एकदम, important है, एग्जामिनेशन में आएगा. Minus 17 by, see, 5 ones are 5, 15 ones are 15 plus 2, 17 by 15, and minus 2 by 45. ठीक है, this is the last one. So that is why, let me do it beautifully, because someone said, sir, your writing is very good. क्या बात है, देखो, 45 divided by 5 is equal to how much? 9. So 9 times 23 minus 5 times 25 minus 3 times 17 minus 2. तो बेटा 9 into 23 कितना होगा? 207 minus 125 minus 51 minus 2 by 45. So as I had told you that first you add all the positive signs, that is 207, then add all the negative signs, minus 125 minus 51 minus 2 will be equal to how much? तो कितना हो? ये हो गया 5 6 7 8 minus 178 by 45 is equal to how much? Is equal to कितना बेटा? 29. 29 by 45. I find that this is already in the improper fraction, so leave it as it is. Okay, so for the next video, exercise this was 14C, no? So exercise 14D will be in the next one. Okay, so just keep watching. जब भी मन करे, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं है, you can enjoy.